In this video we will see how Intelvest can be used as a DIY tool for analyzing the portfolio by both the retail investors and the registered investment advisor. Everyone wants to see how their portfolio performs or will perform when there are certain political or economic decisions and global events that affects the market. Our platform uses AI and checks for certain exposures within the portfolio and brings it to your notice, giving you some suggestions or advice based on the market condition. The advisor can make use of this feature to explain to their clients the outcomes of the analysis based on the current market conditions. To begin, simply upload your portfolio in CSV format. We've made it easy for you, just refer to our sample CSV file to ensure the format is correct. Already using Intelvest? Great! You'll also see a list of your previously uploaded portfolios for easy access. I already have my portfolio in the same CSV format, so let me go ahead and upload it. Once your portfolio is selected or uploaded, the platform will take a few moments to work its AI-powered magic and begin the analysis. Once the analysis is complete, you'll first see a clear summary of your portfolio, what it's made up of, and how each component contributes to your overall financial picture. Our intelligence system will then highlight stock concentration risks. Whether you're holding too much of a single asset, or whether certain holdings like stocks, ETFs, or mutual funds could lead to excessive volatility. For example, if your portfolio has a heavy tilt toward a single tech giant, Intelvest will flag it, because significant price swings in that one stock could disproportionately impact your entire portfolio. In the case of my portfolio, it is saying that the concentration is primarily in large-cap technology stocks such as Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, and Amazon, which appear in multiple funds. It has also identified the funds and have listed down for me with its holdings. Those are Vinex and JLGMX. But we don't just point out the risks, we provide data-backed recommendations to manage and reduce them. You might see suggestions like diversifying into alternative funds, or reducing overexposed assets and reallocating to stabilize performance. You'll also receive a new allocation summary, a reimagined version of your portfolio, accompanied by clear explanations of how the changes can benefit you by balancing growth and risk. So for my portfolio, it has suggested to reduce the exposure for Vinex and JLGMX due to tech concentration and replace it with VGHCX and FSPSX. Thus diversifying into healthcare sector and international exposure. It has also suggested more strategies like direct indexing and hedging, which you can discuss with your investment advisor. And remember, if you're a retail investor, we always recommend consulting with a financial advisor before making any major adjustments. Next, we dive into the portfolio exposure analysis, where things get even more insightful. Here, you'll discover how your investments are spread across the Magnificent Seven. Yes, those market-moving mega stocks, long bond exposure. That is bonds which are more than 10 years old. Geographic exposure. That is which countries are you really investing in. Sector exposure. Are you tech-heavy? Or are you underexposed to healthcare? Security exposure. See exactly where you're most invested, and what that could mean in different market scenarios. We wrap this section up with a concise summary of all exposure categories, helping you instantly spot any potential red flags or opportunities. In my case, I have Magnificent 7 exposure mainly from Vinex and JLGMX. Some bond exposure, country exposure, but mainly towards US and various sectors like technology, financials, healthcare, and consumer discretionary, with more exposure towards technology. Markets don't sleep, and neither does Intelvest. Stay ahead with real-time market news focused on the US economy. You'll not only get the latest headlines but also curated news article links for deeper insights. But here's where Intelvest takes it a step further. Based on the latest developments, our AI recalculates and suggests a revised asset allocation. You'll see a side-by-side comparison of your current portfolio weights versus the recommended adjustments, complete with justifications based on real-time market shifts. We also highlight any assets in your portfolio that have taken a hit due to recent news, helping you make informed decisions in real time.
Intelvest isn't just a portfolio analyzer, it's a strategic tool designed to empower investors and advisors alike.
With actionable insights, AI-driven recommendations, and real-time data at your fingertips, you'll always be a step ahead in your investment journey. But before jumping into any investment moves, it's a smart idea to chat with your financial advisor. They can help you figure out what makes the most sense for your goals, your budget, and your comfort with risk. Investing can be exciting, but it's always better to make decisions with a clear game plan, and some expert advice never hurts. So go ahead, upload your portfolio, explore the insights, and make smarter decisions today. Thank you very much for watching.